How to install Google Play Store in your Mi Android TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Mi TV and in the allow instruction of installation, allow the permission. After that, go to TV input, choose the option of USB and simply connect the USB device where the APK file of Google Play Store is there. Once you have installed it, using the APK file install Google Play Store. Make sure in unknown sources you have denied the access. After that, you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.